Not sure how to upload custom thumbnails to your Instagram videos? I am about to show you how you can upload your custom thumbnails into your IGTV videos. I'll be walking you through the step-by-step process as to where you need to click on every single little thing on the screen, so it is very easy for you to know where you can upload your thumbnails. Hi, my name is Taylor and I'm one of the co-founders of Unbound Video Productions. I have been working in the marketing industry for 3 years now. I have experience in graphic design, I have experience working as a radio producer, a whole bunch of different experience in the marketing and advertising industry. So if you are ready to know how to upload your custom thumbnails to your Instagram videos, I'm going to walk you through everything that you will need to do. So make sure you watch till the end of the video. But before we jump in to how to upload your custom thumbnails to Instagram, make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so that you receive updates as to when we release new episodes talking all about how to grow your brand online. That is what we're going to be teaching you how to do. So if that is what you want to do, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell. Now let's jump into Instagram and I will show you how to upload your thumbnails. Okay, so now we are in Instagram. What we need to do is first click over here to go to our profile. Once we're on Instagram on our computer, we can obviously see that this is our feed. We've got our posts here, but we need to click on this IGTV tab over here. So we can see that we already have uploaded 2 videos here. I'm not going to upload a video. I'm just going to pretend just to show you guys what to do. So you need to click upload. What we then need to do is drag and drop a file over here. So I will just grab a IGTV that I have done in the past. So you can simply just drag and drop your video file over here. Now this is a video from a podcast episode that I'm going to release next week. If you want to upload your custom thumbnail, first you need to make sure that you have it downloaded here. So we have just created this thumbnail in Canva. If you want to watch the video on how to create a custom thumbnail, I will link it in the description below. So download that file, then go back over here to Instagram. Click edit here for the cover. This is your thumbnail, is the cover. So click edit. Make sure you're in your downloads. Today, we've got our IGTV thumbnail. Click on that. Click open. And then you can just in here add in the title of your video and a little description, which I'm just going to say hi there. Now, down here, you have the option to just post it to your IGTV, or you can post it to your IGTV and your Facebook page. So you'll need to connect your Facebook page in Instagram to be able to post this video to your Facebook page. But we also would recommend making sure that if you are going to be posting video content to your Facebook page, make sure it's formatted for Facebook, not IGTV formatting, because it will not optimize and not perform as well. But once you've done all of this, once you've uploaded your thumbnail here, your video here, when this is at 100%, which it will be in a couple of seconds, you can simply go ahead and click post, and that will post your video. Now, if you're not sure of the requirements for IGTV videos, you can click here and it will pop up a new tab and it will give you all of the requirements for IGTV videos for you to be able to upload them. So you can click down on any of these questions and get the answers that you will need, which is a really great tool for you to be able to have if you've never uploaded IGTV videos before. But that is how you will upload your custom thumbnail to an IGTV. And that is it. So thank you so much for watching, guys. If you would like to receive weekly updates as to how you can grow your brand online using video marketing, using content marketing, we're going to be showing a lot of videos around this. So make sure to hit subscribe and hit the bell so that you get those notifications. And if you enjoyed this video or you have any questions, make sure to leave a comment below and we will be able to help you out. Until next time, bye.